The two absolute you must do when you get that lead, if you want to secure that off-market probate deal, two things. You got to get that title commitment from that title company and open up escrow. You got to really see what's going on. It's that earth-shattering, I know. You have to get the title commitment. And anybody that works with me, anybody that's seen the deals, everybody knows that the two words I talk about is, where's the title commitment? I gotta see it. It will tell us exactly what's going on. How many people want to know exactly what's going on? Yeah. I don't ask for it just for me to ask for it. I ask for it because it helps you and me. That is a must. We got to see it. The other is the real estate contract. When you get those people on the phone, lock them up. Get them under contract. Find out the family. Every family member. The kids ever. The spouse. Get them under contract. Get it down. Sure, you want to call me about it? No problem. But get them down. You want to get all of them down because you don't want to hear about it later. And I'm glad this happened a couple of weeks ago. This one investor, they put the date for closing 30 days out. And I was like, 30 days out? I mean, come on, we all know title companies. 30 days doesn't happen like that, unless it's just a rapid title company. My ultimate suggestion for you is when you get a probate deal, put it down for 90 to 120 days. Why? You're taking so much time to lock those people up under contract. Do you want to chase them down again in 30 days? Who wants to chase them down again in 30 days? Nobody. You get them down, you keep it extended, and it works. And then that way, the probate gets done, the title company can move closing 5-6 times, and then you're not worried about getting an addendum again. Yeah, we know. And another great question that came up to me a couple days ago was, so Al, I hear what you're talking about with the counties. I hear what you're talking about with the marketing. I hear what you're talking about with the basics of probate. But tell me, why is this such an opportunity? You're sitting here going, wait a second, but why me? Why would I want to do a probate deal? What makes it so savvy, so great, so lucrative? First of all, some of the spreads that you'll see on a probate deal are some of the biggest spreads you'll see on a deal ever. I've had investors tell me that on one probate deal, they've made $100,000. They've made $80,000. They've made $60,000. They've made $120,000. And then I'm like, wow, man, that's huge. You say those numbers to me, I'm like, wow, I'm like, was that the biggest deal you've ever had? And they're like, are you kidding me? Yeah, the biggest. So these have the most spread. These have the most in assignment fees that you'll see. Oh, I just got to the slide of why is probate an opportunity. So these deals can be easily solved. So a lot of people don't realize that these can be deals that you can get everything together and solve. We can solve it as a team and get it done. And one of the best things too is you're surrounded by the experts. I know people that can find people. I know the best title companies when it comes to getting creative. You work with the best people. Why not get into it? When you work with the best experts in the industry and those experts know other experts, why are we not doing this? Why not? Ask yourself that tonight. Why not probate? Why would I not want to do this? And these stories become legendary. These are stories you will tell so many times over to other investors at events. And what happens when you do that? Oh, wait a second. I had a deal just like that popped up. And then all of a sudden, your experience becomes their experience. It works. You'll see. I see it. When I talk about it, all of a sudden somebody's like, oh, wait, probate. When you talk about that with other people that are just starting in the game, it's going to take off. And with probate, the speed's there. These probate deals, a lot of people before me used to think, oh, these deals took 9 months, 12 months. I think the one with Cyrus took 2 weeks. Gerald's, I think the legend was 1 week or 2 weeks. We've done a lot. Daniel, well, this was pre-COVID. That was 2 days. That was crazy. The probate timings are incredible. And the efficiency process behind it is easy. And what we're doing is calculating what this puzzle looks like together. We're working, all of us together, to figure it out. Because guess what? Who else is going to come and do that deal? I don't know. I don't see anybody else doing it. And that, to me, is another opportunity that people aren't focused on.